The GitLab app can be used for issue tracking and for starting your GitLab automated pipeline from Qase. To install the app, navigate to the Apps section of your workspace. You can find the app under Continuous Integration or under Issue Tracking. Click on the app and Install Now. Here, enter the URL of your GitLab instance, along with your API token. The authorization token can be generated from your GitLab account. From the Profile menu, click Preferences, then select Access Tokens and click Add a new token. Add a token name, set an expiry date, and make sure to select API under Scope. You can also use a group token, but make sure it has the maintainer role. Now that we have successfully installed the GitLab app, let's look at the issue tracking features. You can link your test cases and test runs to a GitLab issue. You can also create a GitLab issue directly from within the Qase test run. To link a test case, go to the Properties section of the test case. Scroll down to find the link GitLab App Issues button. Select your project and search for an issue to link. To unlink, simply remove the issue from this section. Similarly, to link a GitLab issue to a Qase test run, in the Test Run dashboard, to the bottom right, under External Issue, select GitLab. And then proceed to search and link the issue to the test run. Now, to file a GitLab issue from this test run, add any negative result to a test case and check the Attach or Create Defect box. In the next screen, under Integrations, select the GitLab app. On this screen, the title and description are pre-populated from your test case's title, steps, description, and preconditions. Finally, select your GitLab project, fill any other fields as required, and click on Create. You can view this defect from the Defects tab of the run. This one here is the defect we've just filed, and it is hyperlinked to the issue on GitLab. You can also view these defects from the Defects section in Qase. The issue on GitLab also contains a direct link to the corresponding Qase defect, and the test run the defect is created from. Let's now look at the CI/CD functionality of the GitLab app. To start your pipeline in GitLab, click the Start a New Test Run button. Change the type from Manual to Automated. Next, select the GitLab app and select your project and branch. Once you start the run, Qase will trigger your pipeline in GitLab. You can click this hyperlink to go to your GitLab pipeline that is being run. Once the build is complete and the tests are run, you'll see the results posted to the same test run. Other relevant details such as the start time, the end time, and the duration of the run are also available here. Please note, starting an automated run will only trigger your workflow on GitLab, but you will still need an API reporter installed and configured for collecting the results of the executed tests to report them back to Qase. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.